Welcome to the Introduction to Google Workspace Administration course. By enrolling in this course, you'll be joining a community of new Google Workspace administrators who are helping transform the way their organizations work. Google Workspace is a suite of cloud-based productivity applications and services, like Gmail, Calendar, and Drive, that provide organizations with a whole new way to work together online. And it's not just using email and chat, but over video conferences, social media, real-time document collaborations, and more. During this course, you'll learn about the fundamental tools, features, and processes important to a Google Workspace administrator. Lessons include a mix of videos, hands-on exercises, and quizzes to help you evaluate what you've learned. At the end of the course, you'll also find a resources section with links to additional reading material. When you begin the course, you'll need to sign up for a trial Google Workspace account. Each Google Workspace account requires at least one registered internet domain. A domain typically takes the form of your organization's name and a standard internet suffix. For example, if your organization is called My Business, you may choose the domain name mybusiness.com with a website address of www.mybusiness.com, and emails will be addressed to your users at username@mybusiness.com. You'll purchase the domain as part of the sign-up flow, so you'll own it. If you already own a domain, you can use that one, but please note that the instructions here assume you're purchasing the domain as part of the sign-up process. Now, it's important to note that this introductory course will not teach you how to associate an existing domain with Google Workspace. We have, however, provided links to the Google Workspace Help Center, which does document the requirements and the process. The Workspace trial account is valid for 14 days, and no charges for Google Workspace are made to your credit card until that period has ended. If you're planning to cancel your subscription when this training is complete, please do so before the trial period ends to avoid any charges. This is very important, so don't forget. Okay, let's get started.